Hello everybody, so in this lesson I want to look at the ends node again, and I want to look at using the unroll with shared points, and let's look at the difference between that and the unroll with new points. So let me go back into this. Now in the last lesson we did look at the unroll with new points, and we saw that it looks like the thing is still all connected, but then when we selected it, let me see if I can do that. In fact, I'm going to select this point here. Let me get that right. There we go. And then I'm going to move that, and we can see that they're not connected together, right? And that's what we learned about the new point when you unroll with new points. It's interesting that. And of course we know that it's an open curve because there's no face here, so it's definitely an open curve, but it keeps the segment. Nice. But let me go back to my curve, and this time I want to create another end node. And this one is going to be a little bit difficult for me to explain, I think, but let me go into here. And this time we know that this is the point where it connects. So we connected it this way, and this was where it ended. So this is the point of focus. And we're going to go into unroll with shared points. Got an open curve, brilliant. And I'm going to just select my point. I'm assuming these must be broken apart. There has to be a gap somewhere, right? So I'm going to do that, and then, oh, still connected. So now I have a connected curve, which you would think would be a closed curve, but it's actually open. Is there an extra point? Let's have a look. Nope. We've still only got 6 points. So what's going on? Now, I had to read a little bit about this because I wasn't actually sure myself. It was a little bit confusing. But for what I understand is that in Houdini, you also have vertices, and these vertices attach to the point. Now, each point will have one vertices attached to it, right? But it's not exactly the same as a point. For example, when I've created this one here, I will in fact have 2 vertices now attached to this point, and I'm not sure if I can display that. Yeah, there we go. So I've got into vertices mode, and I can see now I've got one point, one primitive there that's selected, and I've got 2 vertices selected. Okay, here I've only got one. I can see it here, 1, but there's 2, and that's the thing that holds it together. It's like these 2 vertices attached to that point, but it's still an open curve, but I'm able to manipulate this as if it's a closed curve, but in reality it's an open curve. Okay, unfortunately I can't give you any more information. I don't understand vertices too much myself. I'm still learning, as I explained at the very beginning of this channel. I'm still learning, and any input would be great about that. And if anybody even has a lesson that they want to share or something about that, that would be great too. The whole purpose of this channel is to learn and to show you the information that I have. I'm certainly no professional at this or anything like that at this point. I'm just a student. So anyway, hopefully that is useful. It certainly will get you thinking. And if you have any comments, which I'm sure you will, please leave them below. And you guys have a great day. All right, bye-bye.